So let's take a look at some integration dealing with natural logs. So the integral of 1 over x dx is equivalent to the natural log of the absolute value of x. So we got to have the absolute values here, plus c. All right, so let's take a look at, we're going to do two examples. So right here, some of us can see it without doing u substitution, how to integrate this. Others are going to need the u substitution. So I'm going to go ahead and do u substitution. The key to u substitution is identifying what part of the equation that we could take the derivative of and get the other piece of the equation. So if we look at this, we're going to have x squared plus 1. If I took the derivative of that, I would end up with something with x in it. So if we take u and set it equal to x squared plus 1, and we take the derivative of both sides, we get du plus, or equal, sorry, 2x dx. And we know this is our u, and then if I see this x dx, I know that that is the other part of our equation. So we need to get rid of this 2, so we're dividing by 2 on both sides. So we have 1/2 du equals x dx. So now we can sub out our pieces, plug in what we know they're equal to. So I get 1 over our u, and then x dx is going to get subbed by 1/2 du. So 1/2 I'm going to take out front. And now we can find the antiderivative. So antiderivative of 1 over u, du is ln of u. So we have 1/2 ln of u, well, the absolute value of u, plus c. So the u, we're going to have to sub in back our u value that we started with, and we get 1/2 the natural log, the absolute value of x squared plus 1, and then plus c. All right, let's take a look at one with some boundaries here. So we have the integral from 1 to e of ln x over x dx. So we can identify that if I were to take the derivative of ln x, I would end up with a 1 over x. So some of us are going to find this useful to, before we integrate or you do u substitution, to split it up like this. Makes it a little easier to see what we need to do. Okay, so derivative of ln x, so u equals ln x. Take derivative of both sides. We get 1 over x dx. Okay, so 1 over x dx is this piece here with dx and the 1 over x. So we're going to take that out and put a du in. We're going to take this out and put a u. So we have a u du. And when we integrate, so we go raise a power divided by a power. So we have 1/2 of our u. Let me do brackets here. One to e. So our u, sorry, forgot our power. It's going to be the power 2. So our u is our ln x. Okay. So now we're evaluating that from 1 to e. So let's go ahead and do that. So plugging in our values, we have 1/2 on the outside. Plug in e, so ln of e minus, we have ln of 1. And we're going to have a quantity squared here. So ln of e is 1. ln of 1 is 0. So 1 minus 0. We're going to have 1 squared is 1 times 1/2. So the answer is going to be 1/2. All right. So there are some hard problems on here. So if you have some questions, please contact me. Let me know. And we can talk about these either in class or on Google Meet. So have a good day.